Welcome guys, we have another repair today. This is an iMac 2019 21.5 inch and this is the 4K display. So the issue here is yung display niya is broken. As you can see, may basag siya dito. So lumapit sa atin yung customer and they asked us to fix the display. So before that, ang gagawin ko muna is to verify na nag-go on itong iMac. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So let's go ahead and press the power button. There you go, nag-light up yung keyboard. Kita nyo naman, and there's an Apple logo showed up in the screen. So right after lang maboot up nito 100%, we're gonna shut this down and we're gonna start the process. And kukunan ko lahat ng proseso all the way hanggang matapos ito. So gamit tayo ng cutter. Alright, so ito yung display. So, i-flip over natin to para ma-check natin. Here you go. Ito yung display. So nakarating sa atin as safe and sound. Alright guys, so start na natin yung proseso nito. So the first thing I would do, since may crack dito, kasi once na winork itong side nito para matanggal yung adhesive, yung pagkadikit, is baka mag-chip siya. So to protect that from happening, so what I would do is I'm gonna put a scotch tape para hindi kumalat yung mga bubog. Okay guys, so we managed to almost separate the LCD from the body. So may mga konting adhesives na lang we have to release. So ito yung loob ng iMac. So we're gonna detach yung cable sa loob. So we got two cables here. This one, we're gonna detach this. Ingat lang. So we're gonna use there you go. Alright, so there you go guys. I have fully removed the display safely. So, merong part dito sa LCD or sa display ng iMac na kailangan natin i-transfer over dun sa brand new LCD. This is the part na kailangan natin i-transfer. So na-transfer over na natin yung flex cable from the old LCD display papunta dito sa brand new LCD display, pati yung sensor niya. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in again itong iMac and i-test natin yung LCD before natin siya ikabit. Bago natin siya totally idikit sa iMac, kailangan natin siyang matest to make sure that it's working. Okay guys, so right here, saksak na natin tong, or ikabit natin tong flex cable here sa logic board. And next, the other cable. Alright. Yan na yung Apple logo. And the iMac is booting up. So we're gonna wait till it boots up. Then let's test the screen real quick habang nandito tayo. So let's go ahead, open display. Lagyan natin sa automatic brightness. Alright, you can see it's moving naman, no? Ayan. That's it, the brightness. Let's take a peek what's behind this film. Looks great. So let's go ahead and go to the desktop. Balik tayo sa display. Scaled. Let's do and another one, more space. There you go. Okay, next gagawin natin is to run the video memory test. Let's go ahead and do that right now. And put ko muna yung password. Okay, right now it's running the video memory test. Great, it worked. And the last thing we want to do is test the camera. Make sure hindi natin na-damage yung camera. So let's remove this film so that we can see it. The camera is a little yellowish. Maybe because of the film. So we're gonna check what's causing the maroon color on the camera. Alright, so the next thing I would do right now is to remove all the adhesive, the old adhesives, para ma-position natin yung bago at madikit natin na maayos. Alright, so now that we have fully seated all the adhesives, ayun naman gagawin natin is to remove the bottom. So there you go, and now we're gonna install the new LCD. Wow, that's amazing. I aligned it perfectly. Alright, so I guess we're ready to pull all the tabs for the adhesives. So, tatanggalin na natin siya. But before that, isasaksak muna yung mga flex cables niya. Alright, so one more flex cable that is going in right now. Okay. So before I fully seal this, ang gagawin ko is pa-power on ko muna siya ulit bago natin ilagay yung adhesive. So ganyan muna, and then we're gonna power it on. Alright, so Apple logo is showing up. So ang ginawa ko, yung una na adhesive sa baba, yun na muna yung tinanggal ko yung seal para madikit natin itong LCD para hindi siya mag-move. Then hindi ko muna siya finally remove all the adhesives film para hindi siya dumikit dito, para at least ma-check natin siya. Ngayon na na-prove ko na nag-on na siya, and it's working. So tsaka natin tatanggalin yung mga seal. So actually ngayon pwede na kahit na naka-on siya. Alright, so once na dinikit na natin to, there's no turning back. So before I do that, mag-login muna ulit ako sa account to make sure all the sensors are working. So ang ginawa ko guys, nilapat ko na tong LCD screen assembly, and lumapat siya ng gusto. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna run some tests right now. One more. We're gonna test the red. Red looks okay. There's no dead pixel. Green looks green. Blue. Yellow. White. And last, the black one. There you go. It looks good. And then last one is the FaceTime camera. So we're gonna remove the protective film that's covering the camera. Yun, okay siya kanina. Amber siya in color. So there you go. And yes, that's it. And that's it. We managed to fix the iMac 21.5-inch 2019 4K display. Walang kahirap-hirap. So napakadali lang ng ginawa natin today. And also we help our customer na talaga nag-worry kasi bumaksak yung iMac niya. Glass down. Buti nga hindi nabasag the whole screen. So we managed to fix that. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. And salamat po sa palagi niyong pagsuporta sa aking channel. Thanks for watching guys. Kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, please like and don't forget to subscribe dito sa baba. Right here. Okay, ito po si Outron DYC and we'll see you next. Peace!